Hello, welcome to Easy English Steps. Today we'll learn English with a heart-touching story about the rich mindset versus the poor mindset. It's full of emotions and hope. Listen to the story, practice new phrases and improve your English. Let's begin. In a small town, two sisters, Noor and Aisha, lived with their old father. Their house was tiny and money was scarce. Noor dreamed of becoming a doctor. Aisha wanted to paint beautiful pictures. But life was hard. Their father was sick, and they had no savings. Noor had a rich mindset. She felt hope in her heart. She said, "I can't change the past, but I can build the future." At night, she studied under a dim lamp, borrowing books from her teacher. When her father coughed, Noor cried silently but whispered, "I'll make him proud." She worked as a cleaner during the day, saving every penny for medical school. One day, a kind doctor saw her hard work and gave her a scholarship. Noor's eyes filled with tears of joy. She thought, "Every struggle is a step to my dream." Aisha had a poor mindset. She felt trapped by fear. She said, "We're poor, so dreams are useless." When her paintings didn't sell, she stopped trying. She looked at Noor's books and said, "You'll fail, like me." Aisha spent her days worrying, her heart heavy with doubt. She loved her father, but thought, nothing will change. Her sadness grew and her paintbrushes stayed dry. One evening, Noor came home with good news. "Aisha, I got into medical school," she said, hugging her sister. Aisha's heart ached. She felt ashamed, but inspired. Noor held her hand and said, "Your paintings can shine. Believe in yourself." Aisha cried and picked up her brush. She painted a picture of their father, smiling. A shop bought it, and Aisha's face lit up. Years later, Noor became a doctor, healing people like their father. Aisha's paintings hung in galleries. Their tiny house was now full of love and hope. The sisters learned that a rich mindset, filled with courage, love, and belief, can heal hearts and change lives. Let's practice phrases from the story. Repeat after me. Build the future. Example, Noor wanted to build the future. Use it to talk about creating possibilities. Believe in yourself. Example, Aisha learned to believe in herself. Use it to show confidence. Heal hearts. Example, a rich mindset can heal hearts. Use it to describe emotional growth. Try this. Make sentences with these phrases. For example, I will build the future with hard work. He believes in himself every day. Her kindness heals hearts. That's today's lesson on Easy English Steps. Noor and Aisha's story shows that a rich mindset brings hope and love. Practice these phrases and share your sentences in the comments. Subscribe for more stories and see you next time.